The myth: productivity hacks and mental health.
Many people believe that using productivity hacks will always lead to better mental health. But is that really true? Let's look closer at why this popular idea doesn't always match reality and where the confusion begins.
What are productivity hacks?
Productivity hacks are tips or tricks designed to help you get more done in less time. These can include to-do lists, time-blocking methods, or using apps to track habits. While they promise efficiency, their effects on mental health are more complex.
Limits of quick fixes.
Where productivity tricks don't address underlying stress or emotional needs. They may help you organize tasks, but real well-being comes from a healthy work-life balance, supportive relationships, and self-care, not just ticking off checklists.
When productivity increases pressure,
constantly striving to maximize output can backfire. Many people end up feeling guilty for not doing enough, or burned out by trying to stay optimized all the time. Productivity hacks are tools, not solutions for deeper mental health challenges.
what really improves well-being?
Improved mental health requires more than productivity. It involves setting realistic expectations, regular breaks, healthy boundaries, and seeking help when needed. Using productivity tools mindfully can help, but they're only part of the bigger picture.